Alright guys, quick update. Been fighting the weather here a lot, that's why I'm behind on videos. But I'm trying to get back on a schedule again. I'm still stay-at-home dad watching my kids while trying to do this at the same time. But we had really bad news today. This is the tailgate from the Jeep that I got for the tailgate and glass, and it is extra crunchy. It was all hidden. It was all underneath the trim. As soon as I pulled it off, I saw some of the rust on the bottom, but I didn't know how bad it was. As soon as I pulled the trim off, which every single one of these screws, the ends was rotted completely off of, I got the old license plate off, the old light that was hacked on there from some truck stop. And I saw that in there, and I realized I can't use this tailgate. But I think mine is still solid enough that I can patch it up and use mine, and I can get the glass and everything out of this one, because it still does have good glass in it, and all the internals look like they're still in there. They just look like they've been, on the bottom of the sea for a while. So in between mine and this one, I should be able to put something together. I am still planning on doing a video on how to install a manual regulator in one of these, so watch for that. And pretty soon I will have the video up for how to remove the dash. So like I said, this was just a quick update letting you know what's going on, and I will see you soon.